Okay, so as we can see on this haircut, it's very strong on the baseline. Now when we're applying great length hair extensions, we need this to soften so that our blend is really natural. So what I'm going to go through is I'm going to just comb the hair straight and I'm going to soften the baseline with deep and shallow point cutting. This will then just give us a little bit more softness through that strength so that we get the most seamless blend.
So we're going to work from the center and we're going to start with some deep point cutting. So this will remove weight and soften the perimeter at the same time. Then we're going to move our fingers down towards the edges where we just use shallow point cutting, which will just soften the perimeter. Moving from the center towards the perimeter outside, we're going to carry on with our deep point cutting, which will remove our weight, then to shallow point cutting to soften the edges. We're going to keep working this technique, moving the hair so that we can see how we're softening as we go. When we're happy with the result, we can move to the opposite side. Now we are changing our elevation. The higher we elevate each section, the softer the finish. We first elevate to 45 degrees, then we elevate the hair to 90 degrees, which is the highest level we can soften the hair. Now working on the opposite side with deep point cutting through to shallow point cutting, elevating the hair upwards each time to soften the line. The higher we elevate, the softer the line. Make sure you keep combing the hair each time so you can see how the line is softening. It's important to keep checking and looking where the weight is sitting. Not all of the hair will need working on. When we look at the hair, we can see which areas have still got weight. We need to identify those areas and personalize exactly that shape.